Hi, my name is Evelyn Salas. I'm an MBA graduate with a background in analytics, data visualization, and project management. Welcome to Paws Unite. 2020 has been a difficult year, and in my desire to learn about software engineering, I decided to create a space where we can all pause and share information about our favorite furry friend. Users can join and register by adding a username, email, and password, and they can also sign in if they already have an account. I will include my existing account here and log in. Once logged in, we can browse through all the posts within the home page, as well as navigate within any existing post and any other user's post. The homepage is generated by using SQLite, SQL Alchemy, Python, Flask, HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. By clicking on the upcoming events link, users can find information about adopting a pet and finding a shelter, as well as any events information within their zip code. As they navigate to the About My Pet link at the top, they can view information about their favorite friend. We can create a new post by clicking on the New Post link and adding a title, adding new content, and choosing a picture from our desktop. Once we click on Post, users will see a confirmation message on the homepage that the post has been created successfully. We can also browse through our account to update the username, email, and also a picture from our profile. And as we go to the homepage, we can see that our profile picture has been updated. As we navigate to the dashboard, users can view user login data, post, new users, and compare previous users and total views of their post. This data is generated by using Python, Flask, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and Chart.js. One challenge I had was finding the right data for my site. Since I didn't come across what I was looking for, I created my own dataset using JSON and SQLite database. I look forward to speaking with you about potential software and data engineering, as well as data visualization opportunities at your company. My name is Evelyn Salas, and thank you for watching.